The Baxter Patrick James Island branch has space to craft and design right here in the Creative Studio.
Creative Studio is just a place where you can come, let your imagination take place, and have fun. So this is the place where you can do it at, in the Creative Studio at Baxter Patrick.
The studio has sewing machines, an embroidery machine, 3D printers, and even a 3D pen.
I created this dinosaur here. It took about 7 hours and 29 minutes. So when people want to do 3D print, I make sure I let them know, hey, it's not gonna take 2 minutes. It's gonna take at least a day or so before I'll be able to have it ready for you. So that's one of the good things to have here.
Some of the resources may look similar to the Creative Studio at the Wando branch, but Baxter Patrick has some tools unique to them.
We do have the poster printer that's here. The teachers seem to be very enthused about that. And we also have the lamination machine that the teachers are happy to have as well. And we do have the cinch here where you can make your scrapbook and bind it up. We got book tape where you can transfer things over. So we have a lot going on here. You gotta just come here and just be in the space and enjoy it, really.
The Creative Studio is available to anyone 16 and older or between the ages of 13 and 15 with a parent present. Before using some tools like the sewing machine, training is required. You can sign up for training by emailing bpcreative@ccpl.org. And now is the time to try the Creative Studio because all projects are free until January.
So on lamination, it'll be about 40 cents per square foot. And on the printer itself, I think it's 25 cents per square foot. So it's not too bad. And then you have the 3D printing, if you want that, it's 10 cents per gram. So it's not expensive.
The Creative Studio also offers classes and craft programs. Coming up in December, you can do some holiday crafts like decorating a wreath or a candle. For more information on those and other upcoming programs, just check out the Baxter Patrick James Island branch calendar. And I'll see you next Monday to meet your library.